Hello, guys. Welcome to another monthly catch up, season 2, section 20. How are you all doing? How is everything? Welcome to another monthly catch up. So, this week we have a lot of work we'll be doing, like you see, we have tons of work. This one we did last month, we are still working. It's just, I think, after a week now, we are still working towards the trade fair we are going to be attending. On the desk now, I have some work I'm doing. I've filmed the time lapse before doing this introduction. So in a few minutes now, you guys are going to watch the time lapse of this. Then afterwards, I will show you every aspect of this so that you guys will see how it's going. And if you watch this video fully, you are going to learn from it. That's why I always tell you guys. I always advise you guys to watch the every video I post, because there's no way you are not going to learn anything from it. If you try as much as possible to watch the video, definitely you always learn things from the video. So for those of you who have subscribed to the channel, we really appreciate you. Those of you who have not subscribed, you can use this time to subscribe so that you won't miss any updates coming from the channel. You can give this video a giant thumbs up, like the video, which is the giant thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share this video with people you know it might be of help to them. If you have any question or any comment, please leave it in the comment section down below, and I would really appreciate if you share this video with people it might be of help to them. Even if you're watching this and you are not into what we do, but you know it's going to help other people, share this video with them so it can help them. And if you also are interested in learning from us from the online training or physical, we also offer that. It's still pretty much available. I think in the caption I'm going to put the link to the site where you can also purchase our online training. It's of different parts and we have in different sections with different rates. So from there you can choose which best will work for you. So enough talking, guys, enough showing you my face. Thank you guys for being here. Really appreciate those of you who have been here from day one. We see you and really appreciate you. See you guys at the continuation. So guys, showing you everything. These are the zip we'll be using for those bags there. These are laptop sleeve. It's something we've made a few months ago. You guys have watched in the past, so the rest of the interface I'm using to make this actually okay. So right now I'm done with the zip part. It's just for me to attach the lining. Once I attach the lining, that's the next process. Then we attach the zip. Once we attach the zip, then we sew down the zip after attaching the zip. Then from there we can assemble it. And actually we've made the rope for this. You guys will also watch it from the time lapse. I film it on the time lapse. So, and this month we have a lot of work to do. We are going to work on this particular one. We work on this one as well. But after I finish this in few days or maybe in a week time, I'm going to do this as well. Then we proceed into this. But you guys will see the process as it's going. I will keep you updated. So enough talking. See you at the continuation. Guys, welcome to the continuation of the monthly catch-up. So we've started working on the tote bag. It's going to have a lining, not like the one we make without lining. These are how they hang to. So I'm fixing the front pocket, and those one we're making as of last week, we are done with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are done with that. So hopefully we finish the toast bag in no time. Then any other one we want to touch again, we try as much as possible to touch it. Those one, the plan was to cut those things by next week, or maybe within this week if I can cut all the fabrics and the ashoke for that. Then if I can apply gum to some, I will do that, because I will be gone for a few days. So, and I need to just work on this month's catch up and everything. So even this bag now, I'm going to fix a double hand to it, double strap at the back. This one too, this is my lovely bag. The rope has cut. I've been using this for up to 6 years now. The rope just cut, I think as of last month when I went out, coming back. So I'll be fixing these two. Once I'm done, I will show you everything on this one, and if I can work on those ones too, I will show you within the week. But if it's not possible, you guys will see it in the next month's catch up. But I think right now I'm going to film a little bit time lapse of this so that you still learn something from it. So stay tuned and watch. So guys, welcome to the continuation. As you guys can see, we are done with everything. All the laptop sleeve looking nice. The long strap is even inside. Okay, don't let me show you this one. I have some strap outside. These are the strap, the long strap, and the tote bag too. I make them all the colored. They are just 4. Make them. These are the tote bag. These are the tote bag. These are the strap for the bag. That one I show you, the first one, the strap is inside already. So these are for this one. We have for this particular one the shade, this other shade, and this particular lovely shade. And you guys remember when we make all this now, everything is looking nice. So by the way, even this one, let me remember to show you, I've refixed it, put a much longer double strap at the back for the baby that is supposed to own this. Then there's even this bag I showed you last week, that it's my bag, I need to fix it. It has been long. I fixed that too. I fixed that. I was supposed to finish up everything and show you guys, but due to time, I'm just showing you now. And pretty much in few hours now, we'll be running to next month's catch up. We'll proceed. We'll start with the work, the one we've talked about earlier in this video. So guys, enough talking. Watch this, and I'll see you in next month's catch up.